Okay, so we're going to the customer, and look what I saw. So this is what I saw. So we're going to the customer today, and the customer has a phone that they keep getting static and disconnects. We're gonna go test it out. Okay, so we're not going to the bar and restaurant, but around the corner from there we have to take the freight elevator because we can't go up the front because we're a tech. That sucks sometimes. We took this off and now he's fine. So this is the detangler, and if you want to know what it is, this is the information.